Calculate credit card payments in Excel to achieve a much faster payoff of all balances. Label the cells down in column A as follows. Enter the interest rate for your credit card balance in column B. This calculation requires the monthly interest amount. Calculate the interest by dividing the rate by 12 months. Determine the time frame in months in which you would like to have your credit card balance paid off. Input the current credit card balance in the cell next to present value. Type 0 in the cell in column B next to the label Future Value. Select the cell in column B next to the label Payment, then click the Function button. Excel will pop up a window. Choose the function you need. Select the PMT function and click OK. You can type the data into each field or click on the cell link icon, and then click the cell containing the information. Leave the type field in the function argument window blank. Click OK. You should now see the necessary credit card payment amount required to pay off your balance within the specified period. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for even more helpful tutorials.